Okay, hello my dear friends, can you hear me? Just let me know. I think you are. But anyway, I should ask you. Thank you. I will try to keep my work on a really high level. I will try to do that. Actually, this is pretty hard. Just let me know in the comments if you are here. We will start. Okay, just a second. I'm waiting your comments. Oh, 90 people. Oh, really a lot of the people watching me. How come? What's going on, guys? The holidays, it's really soon, but you are watching the Revit. You wanna study? Really? Okay, everything fine. First I wanna say thank you guys for waiting me, because a long time I didn't post any video. Thank you for that. Now I'm already just louder. Give me a second. So now I think I'm pretty speaking louder. Okay, so what's going on? I have really a personal issue to didn't create any video because I really didn't have time. Sorry for that, but now I'm already in time, so I mean now I can post my videos, and I think I not will have any troubles at all right now. So the stream today, it's not about something interesting topic, so sorry for that, because I didn't have a pretty enough time to create really nice topic. But I came here to get some knowledge, and in the end of this stream, I will give you like 3 keys to access to my Dynamo course. So if you don't know, I did my Dynamo course. I will give you 3 keys for free, so you will able to get this course for free, but only 3 keys, okay guys? So if you wanna get these keys, just leave the comment below this video, and we will I will choose one of you, and I will give you the key. So each my streams now I will give you the free access key to get this my course, because now I will post all my courses on Udemy. It doesn't mean you will get any courses in YouTube. You will get it. You will get full. You will get extra. But on Udemy you will get only the structure knowledge. You will, for example, you wanna know Dynamo, you just go into the Udemy. You have like from A to B everything. So you no need waiting when I will post something. Okay, so done with that. I think this is not bad news for you. And what we will do today? First, I will create the new project, of course, as always. And today we will create the church. We will start create the church, because I not will finish the church today. Sorry, it's really a long project. I wanna speak with you guys, and I will show you also how you can create, for example, some unique objects in Revit without without, for example, third part and the software like 3ds Max, like the SketchUp, without on this type the software. You will do it everything in Revit. And which church we will do? Your question, right? So we will do this church. I really like this church. I don't know why. We will get this model. Why it's a game? Because it's easy to understand, for example, which type of the column we need. So we will do everything from this game in Revit. It's not will be just a model. Don't worry about that. It's not will be just a model. It will be a useful model for the Revit, where you can, for example, calculate how many columns we have, how many materials we use. So we will start to do that. This project only for fun, because I really long time thinking to create this church, but I think now it's time. But don't forget, if you have any questions about the Revit, this is the best time to ask me, and I will try to answer on it in live. Okay, still my stream is going. I will try to answer on any your questions. So if you have, just go on and I'll try to answer on your questions. Okay, I think this introduction it's already finished, and we can start to create the church. Of course, we should start from something. We should open, I don't know, maybe a browser and find some plans for the church, or just some example. Yeah, something like that. I hope it's something interesting for you. So, any questions? Because it will be long time and I don't wanna speak with only myself. It's really it's really will become boring if I will speak only with myself. Okay. Сейчас. Let's find some church. No, what's going on? I'm not robot, sorry. Why are you thinking like, okay, crossfall? Okay, it's here. Sorry. I don't know why the Google asking me I am a robot or no, but maybe he thinking I am. Where is the crossfall? Let's say here. Okay, I'm not robot. Nice. And let's find some where's the maps? Oh, it's German, sorry. Okay, and let's find some drawings. Drawings. And we will try find some drawings. Maybe plans, drawing plans. Because I need some plans, I need to start from something. It's hard to start from nothing, right? I need just understand how it looks like on the plan. Okay, it looks like something like that. Oh no, like that. Okay, so I got it. Just approximately, I not will copy it. Okay, so and let's start to draw it. I will start from the floor. Actually, we will change it later on. I mean the floor, because it's not right for now. So and here will be like 30 meters. We not will copy it, because I don't like copy. I will do it from what I'm thinking, and I think it's really best way. Okay, so this is like this, so it's like a crease actually, right? Let me check. Yeah, it's like a crease actually. Okay, here is more deeper and going like this. Okay, actually all church is pretty same. I'm not talking about the nowadays, I'm talking about the last one. What would you suggest as the render Revit models, Corona, V-Ray or Lumen? Okay, nice question. If you are an architect and you don't have a time, definitely Lumen, definitely. But if you are not just an architect, for example, you are a design architect, right? Or you're a conceptual architect. So this means your render, it's really matter. It's not just to understand volume of your building. It's for the client. So for that way, I really recommend you use the Corona render. But if you are a 3D artist and you want to go more deeper in rendering, so this is V-Ray definitely. Okay, so let's assume like this. Lumen, if you are just an architect. If you are design architect or concept architect, this is Corona. Or if you are a 3D artist, this is V-Ray. Done. I think this is full answer on your question. If not, just ask me and I'll try to say why I'm saying like this. Okay, 15 meters, no, 15 meters too much. Let's make 20 meters, 12 meters, sorry, 20 meters, why I'm saying 20, I don't know. And here it's 25 degrees, 4 meters, and here it will be like, let's say 4.5. Okay, so done with that. I'll select everything of that and I'll just mirror it. Done. And let's make the same here. So that one is just what we will use the next time. We will just going back to the game. Let's see how it's working, how it looks like in real life. Not in real life, I mean in game life, okay? Not in real life, sorry. So here we have also the entrance. So because it's not working like that, it's also have the entrance. So entrance we also will make 5 meter only. And here we will make like this, like this. As I said, I know on a copy I will just make the something like that. Because today it's a long time I didn't make any streams, and I just wanna start going back to the streams. What qualification do you need to do architecture visualization? What qualification? Nice question. Actually, it's not about the qualification to create, for example, architecture visualization. I know a lot of the people who become architecture visualization without any special qualification. They working like in sales manager. I remember one really nice render guy, visualization 3D artist who was on the background 3D sales manager, really, and he making really nice 3D renderings. I don't think so you should have some special qualification, so you need only the you need only understand how the working 3D, and you need to understand what the client want. Client don't want really nice 3D. Client want understand how it will be looks like. Yes, some clients really crazy. They want photorealistic things, but most of the clients want to just understand how it will be look like. That's it. So for that result, you need to have some special skills. Maybe you can get the special skills, I don't know, from some courses, but these courses you can get from the Udemy, for example, from Linda. You don't need going to some university, so maybe like this. And I don't think so really. I can ask my 3D artists workers. I don't think so they have some special qualification from university to understand how the 3D working. I think half the 3D artists it's on the past was the architects. It's really situation like that. How to be BIM manager in architecture background, know the Revit surfaces? Oh, this is really nice question, because this is about me. Okay, I'll tell you like that. I worked like an architect more than 8 years, and if you are, for example, if you want to become the BIM manager, you should understand how the architecture work. So if you know how to architecture working in your region, for example, UK rules and for example Russia rules or US rules, it's really different. If you understand how they're working in your place, you can become the BIM manager. You know why? Because you understand what you should do in Revit to get result, to approve it in government, for example, your project, right? Or to submit to the client, because we have the like BEP rules. If you don't know what is that BEP, I will show you. Just give me a second. You should understand, to become BIM manager, you should understand only a few things. You should understand, change to English, sorry, we don't want to use the German, sorry. You should understand what is that, just BEP, what is the BIM, and you should understand what is that. If you know these two things, I can say you will understand what the client wants from you. This is rules how to create BIM model to submit to the client. So just check it out on internet. I will leave it on the comments. Just give me a second. Like this. Okay. And yes, you should know what is that Navis work and how it's working. Navis work, it's not only to, I don't know, running like in Assassin's Creed and playing there around. Navis work, it's calculate all the value of the working. Like for example, how many materials you need. Do you have the collisions, or for example, do you have some problems with quantification? So this is everything about the Navis work. Okay, and of course you should know, you should be master in Revit. For example, if you want to become BI manager in architecture, so you should become from the architecture. If you are going to the structure, you should be came from the structure. And the same thing for the engineer, for the same thing for the electricity, and on and on. You cannot be perfect, for example, in construction, in engineer, in architecture. It's not right. You cannot be perfect on all this discipline. For example, I'm architect, and that's why I'm not showing you in Revit the structure, because it's not my part. I not understand it exactly. I can draw it. I can just making the mess, but it will be shit. You not will do with this anything. You will just get the 3D model. This is shit. It's nothing. But I'm perfect in architecture, and I will show you everything in architecture what you want. The same thing with the system, for example. I not understand how the system working. That's why I'm showing only the architecture part. But if you're, for example, nice in the system, you, for example, I don't know, like some engineer, for example, I don't know, like duct engineer, something like that, mechanical engineer, right? Yes, you understand how it's working, you can create the system, but you don't know how to work in architect, so you cannot become perfect in everything. Just choose your way, that's it. Should grade, appreciate. Okay, thank you. So any questions, guys? Any questions? Today I'm free for you, and we just having fun with this project from the Unity. And actually, this is I'm thinking. I really a long time thinking how to create this building. I really want to create in Revit. So I hope we will do it today. So now I need the walls because I'm talking too much. So any questions, I will appreciate it. Any questions? And here's my wall. Okay, let's do the wall. This is just exterior wall. Of course, I need some finish exterior, and I will make some exterior wall. Doesn't matter which wall I will use for now, because now I just wanna create some messing of my future building, and next time, of course, we will change this building too. By the way, later I will post the new video. This new video will be about the details in Revit. I hope you will find it really interesting. I'm showing there how you can create really much details in Revit, because as I saw from my company, a lot of the people don't know how to create details things in Revit. Who knows about that? Okay, so here is the building, and as you can see, I can use the tab key to select all the chain of the walls. Just select that, and you will see all the chain of these walls. And I will make it like 8 meters, because it's not nowadays when we're creating 3 meters and thinking like this is a high wall. No, it's not like that. Okay, 8 meters, this is pretty much enough. Let's see how it looks like. Next thing. Okay, we have the building here. All the details I will do later on. Now I'm just thinking about how it looks like. Okay, we should put some columns. Let's say I'll put some columns. And let's check the my drawing. Oh, I closed already. Okay, I closed already, but anyway, I'll put some columns right now. As I said, for example, right now I'm working like an architect, but if someone here working with the structure, you will hate me, because I'm not thinking about the columns. I'm just putting it where I want. I know this is not like that. Sorry for that. Oh, by the way, guys, tell me please, who can work with the structure? Maybe someone who watching me, he working like the structure engineer or mechanical engineer. Just let me know please under the comments, okay? Because I have some idea for my channel, but I need the support from the people who working with that. I don't wanna do some bullshit, because this is YouTube. Actually, if you're doing something bad, everyone will know that. So that's why I'm trying to be best, but it's not like that, but I'm trying to do that. Okay, I just copy it and copy it here. I just will post, so we'll put some here the columns, and let's change the color. And okay, I want to change the structure of the my column. Let's go inside to the structure. Okay, I not will change it right now. Oh, materials. I will change material right now. I want to change to the concrete. Welcome, welcome, always welcome. So don't be shy, ask any questions. If you're even thinking like your questions is really stupid, don't think like that. If you want to learn something, you should understand. You should really not afraid asking everything, because I really afraid when people not asking everything. For example, in work, you know, you're working with some architects. I'm asking like, do you have any questions? And architects, oh no, don't have any questions. But I feel it like he don't know this topic. He don't know how to create, for example, the schedules. But he afraid to ask me help from me, really. This really bad things when you're really afraid. Okay, this one, I will change it. I will change it to define, and I will change the color for now. Hide the view. Okay, about when you're changing the colors, for example, your walls or any elements in Revit, like this method. Don't forget, this is really bad thing what you can do, because if I will change now color, override the graphics of this element by this way, no one will understand you use this method. Because if I will now after that will go to change it by filter or by category, it's not will work, and your colleagues or your friend, or I don't know, even your boss not will understand how you change this color. So don't change it by this way if you cannot control it. Now I can control it, because I know the later on I will change the color. So I will do it like that for now. Oh, I didn't change, sorry. Override by element, and sorry, I used surface pattern. This is not right. I need to use the cut pattern. Why cut pattern? Because all our walls now cut it. That's why I'm using the cut pattern. And let's use the read key. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Someone who's sending the money. My God, it's first time in my life. I will cry right now, really. All the best. Seems really hard to do. Thank you so much, really. Oh my God, it's really, guys, first time when someone sending me money in YouTube by this way. Nice. Okay, so where's that? And let's copy it one by one. As I said, guys, if you are just joined my stream, if you have some questions, leave it below the comment, and I will try answer as fast as I can, okay? Because this stream only for you. By the way, shouldn't you override graphics? Yes, don't override graphics. Okay, I will show you why. Now I will, as you can see, now the color of my wall, it's red one, right? And how I can check it? For example, I just joined this project, and I wanna change the color of my walls, right? How I can do that? Of course, I will go to the visibility graphics, so here, and I will try find here the walls. Okay, and as I can see, patterns, it didn't change. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe this guy using the filters. I'm going to the filters, and I cannot see any filters. And I'm thinking, how can he change this color? This is the problem, because when you have the huge project, you don't have the time to just trying to understand how he changed the color. You should have only two ways: by filter or by category. Done. By override graphics, you are using only when you will understand for example, when you have small project, and you, of course, you not will spend a lot of the time to understand what's going on. But when you have like 170,000 square meter project, you don't have a time to check it. Okay, I will show you what I mean. Here the wall, here the pattern, and I will change the pattern, for example, to the green, right? To the green color. I will say okay, I will say okay, and doesn't change anything. This is the problem, because when I will create one more wall, this is green. How come? And let's do the one more thing. Let's create one more wall here, and this wall will have the comment. Let's say this wall will have comment like 1, just for like example. I will go to back to the visibility graphics, and I will go back to the filter, and I will create the new filter. Let's create the new filter. We will call it like my workers really like to do. Oh, this is really a familiar name of some filters. I really like when I see that don't touch, don't fucking touch. Oh, sorry. Some people are really calling some filters like that. And the wall, which will have the comments. Where is this? Comments here. Equal to the 1. Okay. We'll have pattern patterns. Let's say color magenta. Where is the magenta? Here is the magenta. Let's say okay, let's say okay. And now you understand the problem, right? Here the filter, here the category, here we used override graphics. But let's see. Let's create one more. I will just select it, right click, override graphics, element, and I will change the color here. For example, to the blue one. It doesn't change, right? Now let's go back, and I will change it here. Don't change like this. And it's blue. And how come I understand this is override graphics and that one override graphics and this is a category and this is filter if I'm new on this project? This is the problem. Don't use this method, okay? Override graphics only when you are working alone. Let's do like that. And you will become really best worker in company and all BI managers will love you. Okay. So now I think you understand the difference. I will delete it. I think I have the tutorial about that. I'm not sure, but I think I have the tutorial. If not, I can do the just special tutorial about priority graphics later on for you. If you want, just let me know under the, below the video, I mean under the comments, and I will try. Maybe I will do it later on. So I think this is a really important topic, because no one knows about that. Okay, let's work with that. So maybe you will have some comments later on or questions, who knows. Okay, and this part, I mean under that one, I will just copy it. You can select everything like this, for example. I know I selected the walls. Don't forget, use the filter, just uncheck the walls, check only columns. And let's mirror it like that, and you will get the columns on this side. Okay, we get some columns here. Let's create some columns on this side too. Yeah, I know I don't like really spend time. Yes, do you if you can. Yeah, I will do that because I think this is really important thing for everyone. You know the problem, we have some big problem in Revit because each tutorial which you will find in internet, they talking only about how to create 3D model. They're not talking how you should work in Revit. But for example, when some people coming join our company, they saying like, oh, I know everything, I can create anything in Revit. But the big problem they have, they cannot work together with someone because they not understand the rules. For example, you know, every time when I'm changing, for example, type of my object, I'm saying you first duplicate, change name, and after that only change the parameters inside your family. So this is like a Bible. Do it only like this. For example, if I wanna create here the columns like 800 by 800, I will select these columns, I will go inside to the edit type, I not will change directly these numbers. I will duplicate it first. I will change the name of this column like 800 millimeters by 800 millimeters. And only after that I will change these dimensions. And I will do dimensions exactly the same like I did the type. Because I don't wanna spend the later on time to understand, okay, here is 1200, but here is 800 millimeters. Oh, maybe this is mistake, I will leave like that. No, you should work like professional. Professional, it's not who working fast. Professional, it's who working once and done. He not doing redo. We not spend much time, but don't redo. I think this is like a Bible for your life. You can work really slow, but you can do everything once and right. So, do you think like that? Just leave me below the comments. So I will copy that one from this side to that side, and we have already columns. So we will do it slowly, one by one. I don't wanna spend this I don't wanna like rushing anywhere. Okay, here is my column. Again, just right click, select all in visible view. Here is all my columns, and I will change immediately to the 8 meters. As I know, this is going to the level 1, but I don't have level 2. So let's create the level 2. For that one, we should go to the elevation, east view. Where is my east view? Maybe north view. Let's check it out. North view. Okay, and actually I will create the new one because this one not working. It's not working because of me. I changed the position of that. The problem is because I did like that. Okay, and let's go, and we'll change view range. Let's change view range here, and I should change view range for everything of my elevation because I want to see everything. I'll go to this view, and now I can see everything. Here is my levels. Let's change position of the level like that, and as you can see, I don't have level 2 and level 3 and on and on. Let's create it like that and like that. Okay, nice. Done. So, and let's now go back to the 3D. I will select all my walls by using the tab key and chain, and I will change unconnected height to the level 2. Done. It's still 8 meters, but now it's working with my level 2. And now if I will select one column and I will right click and I will use the visible or everything on the visible view, I can easily change the top level to the level 2, and it will connect to the level 2 too. And this is easily to control it. So yeah, this is simple. You think it's really simple, but all the small details, you should follow it. You should connect all your walls to the levels. You should connect your columns to the levels. You should control it. You should understand to which one level you should, for example, connect it. Because later on, when you will get the model, and for example, your client will come and will say like, okay, you have 16 floors, but now I wanna 14 floors. You will become crazy to change everything, really. Because when you have already done building, it's really changed to redo something. So you should thinking about how you will redo from the start, really. For example, maybe I don't wanna 8 meters, and now I can just say here 7 meters, and everything will change immediately. But if I will not think about that, now I should make it manually. Each column I should change the levels, for example. These are small things, but really, really matter. Okay, here we did the columns, and let's check it out our Unity. Okay, here we should making some special columns, but we will do later on. I wanna check what's going on that side. Just give me a second. Give me a second. This is not 3D model. I need to check what's going on the that side. Okay, here we should do like that. Okay, here, as you can see, going smaller, but here it's a bit bigger. So we will do it like that. Okay, let's create a floor on the level 2. I will go now to the view. I will find here not drafting view. I know not drafting view, no, cancel. I want to create floor plan for the level 2. Always welcome. Always welcome. And just give me a second. Here I get some message. I want to answer on it. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm here. Okay, now I want give you one key for my Dynamo tutorials, because one of you, I think, will get it right now. Just give me a second. Where is my Udemy? You can ask any questions right now. Don't forget about it, okay? I'm a really kind person and I will answer on any question. Don't think like I'm an angry person or mad one. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, here is my course. Here is my course, and the first give me a second. Oh, sorry. Here is the link for my course, and here is free. I will give you the free access for this course, but only for 3 days. Okay, from now, you will activate it and you will get this course for 3 days. Okay. I hope you will leave the comment after that in my course, and you will rate it. Okay, so use it. Later on I will delete that access key. So, and go back to my video and say, is it okay or no? Is it working or no? Just let me know, okay? Join my course, because I think it will be useful for you, and try it. Okay, it's for free. I mean, you not will pay anything, no worries. Just type this key and you will get it for free, okay? Okay, let's raise my level 2. I want to change my view range. Where is my view range? My view range is here. I want to see what's going on the level 1. Okay, I don't want to see because view range it's not same. Now I can see what's going on the level below. And now I will copy just, as you can see, I cannot select the floor, because actually I cannot select underlay elements. You can check it here. But if I will say I want to select under elements, I can select now in some elements, as you can see. And even floor, no, I cannot even floor select, because it's under the everything. Let's copy it. Let's copy it and let's paste on the level 2. Done. Let's go back to the 3D view, and as you can see, here is my floor. And as you can see, here the some detail. As you can see, my wall becoming have some intersection with my floor. This is not right. Actually, we should select all my walls and saying we need top offset minus 200 millimeters. No, not 200. Actually, we need offset. Let me check how the thickness of this 470 millimeters. Okay, 470 millimeters. Okay, done. Now this is correct. And the same thing we should do with our column. Actually, our column it's not will be the same. It's not will be everywhere, but for now it will be like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Select and check only the columns, and offset minus 470 millimeters. Done. This is right. Let me know, did you register it on the Udemy course or no? Please let me know, guys, because I really worried about that. Is it you get it or no? Okay, just let me know, please, because I'm worried about that. Is it I did everything right or no? Okay, I see one of you already registered. Okay, nice. So use it. I think you will find it's really useful, but only 3 days. Okay. Why you don't connect floor to the walls? Nice question. Because now I'm doing only the floors which will be for construction. So this is only construction wall floors, and walls also it's only construction. Construction it's not my part. For example, maybe later on I will ask someone to create for me the construction things. And later on, I will just load the construct part to the my architect part, and all these walls I will just hide. That's why I'm doing this connection, to understand where is my construction walls, where is my architecture walls. It's two different things, as you know, because construction you can, this is like a column, but when you have architecture wall, this is just only decoration. That's the thing. That's why I'm not using any texture for now. This is only construction things. So that's why I'm asking you, if someone here working with the structure, please let me know, and I will try to connect with you. Maybe we will do some collaboration. Who knows? Okay, so I will continue, okay, because I'm too much talking and I think you will become boring right now. Yeah. So this part it will continue to the next level. I will copy it, and I will copy it on the level 2. Okay, let's go back to the 3D. Here is the level 2. Nice. And we will make the roof for that one. But that one, thank you for the welcome, always welcome, but don't forget to rate it, okay? And again I'm saying only 3 days, guys. I'm sorry, but only 3 days I can give the free access. Let's say this is your Christmas gift from me, okay? On the next my stream I will give you again 3 days access. So just say to your friends and to your, I don't know, your colleagues, and maybe they will get access for that. Okay, so let's copy it on the second level 2. Let's go back to the level, and now all these walls except this one will go to the level 3. No, not level 3. Here the 0 top offset. Here is the 0 top offset. And as you can see, we don't have enough of the levels. Let's create the levels. It's my mistake. I'll create the levels. Really, I don't like when you should spend time to create the levels, but Revit is only about some small details which you should control. Okay, done. Perfect. This is only structure things of our future church, Unity Church. Okay, and we will put it under the level 6. Even more, level 7. Yes, this is now more right. Yes. So till the level 7. Okay, perfect. Welcome, welcome, guys. Always welcome. So we will work with this level later on. Now I want to work with only this level. For that one, I need to go to the back view. I don't think so back view, but we will see. Yeah, back view, but maybe it's north. Let's check it out because I want to use elevation. Yes, this is north view. Let's go to the architecture, and here we will find the roof, and I will use the roof from extrusion. We will use the pick a plane. I will pick this plane. Level I will use, I think this is level 3. I'm not sure, but I think it's level 3. Yes, level 3. And I will create my future my future roof. So here is the roof, and now of course I will select all my walls, this one, this one, this one, and I will attach to this roof. Oh, everything is so slow because I changed the monitor and and also the game is still on. That's why it's a bit, as you can see, slowly. Okay, here the question: can you help us with advanced math tutorial? Tell me what you mean advanced math tutorial, because I really have a lot of the tutorials about the math. Let me know what you want exactly. Maybe you have some pictures, maybe you have some buildings, like reference buildings. Let me know under the comments. Maybe you will leave the link and I will check it with you right now, and I will say can I do that or no. So just let me know. Okay, here is done with that. I not will do some details for that one. As I said, this is only structure. Okay, let's go back to the Unity. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, we did with this one. Actually, this roof have much more degree. I did only 25, I think, but here it's around 60. So let's change it. Let's change it. Change it. So I need dimension. I will go to the annotate and I will find here the angle and I'll check the degree. 25, it's not enough. I will select everything and I'll just do like this. And let's make it like that. Now it should be work. Yeah, this much better. This is much better because this is Gothic style, and Gothic style always have the really sharpness roof and some details inside. Everything have this so sharpness. Okay, and I did one more mistake because this side it's not going so high, as you can see. Go. Okay, this is going only till here, till the roof, as you can see. Let's make the same thing. This was my mistake. I think it's still level 5. Not level 5, it's not even enough. Level 4. Pretty close. And as I said, as you can see, I just playing around and we get the problem. As you can see, my roof, I should a bit making it higher, right? And how we can do that? We can play around with our for example, our reference level. Now I can change reference level to the level 4, and this is what I want. That we get the result, as you understand. We're not spending really a lot of the time to change everything. So the small details, as I said. And this one, it will be also level 4. Done. So this is level 4. Now we should create floor. Again, floor. We should create these small details. I'm not working now with these small details because actually we should now edit, change our profile. No, okay, I will change the profile. I'm not lazy because this is streaming only for you, and I will spend time for you guys. Like this. Here I also will change. This is really unique building. You not will do, I think, even the half of things what we will do today. Not today. I think I will do this really long stream. Maybe later on we will continue. A project Zaha Hadid. Let's check it out. This project. Okay. Let's check it out. This project. Zaha Hadid, Rabat, Morocco. Let's check it out. Okay, I can see this building. Yes, this is modeling not. I think the much pretty. How I will do this building? If you wanna know, I will use Rhino for this building for sure. I will use Rhino. I will create meshing form in Rhino, and after that, I will export it to the Revit. Because as you can see, this is building inside, just simple, but this is only exterior. So, as I said, I will use the Rhino. If you are interested in this building, guys, please let me know, okay, under the comments right now, because I can do that, but it's not so simple, as you understand. And if you are really interested, let me know below the comments, because I will spend my time and maybe I will spend your time. Maybe you don't want to see how to create buildings like that. Okay, I will do that. It's not a big problem. It's not a big problem. I will do that. Just let me know. Oh, as you can see, this is Lumen. This is a Lumen. As you can see, even Zaha Hadid using the Lumen. Actually, they're using everything. Lumen, V-Ray, Corona, I don't know, Unity, Unreal Engine, they're using everything. I work with that. I remember I have to work with Zaha Hadid, and they're really crazy. Crazy in a good point. Okay, just let me know below the comments. Yeah. I'm in the right. You will use Grasshopper and Rhino. For sure. Yes, I know you are interesting, but maybe someone not interesting. That's why I'm asking. Of course you are interesting that because you're asking about this question. Okay, let's connect it. No, it's not will connect. Here is the hard part. Here, what I should do? Actually, I will create here the small wall. I will connect it on the straight way. Yes, I will do that. So for that one, I need to go to the level 4. Manage, oh, not view. Plans, floor plans, and level 4. Guys, if you are just join my video, you can get free access key. You will see it like a few minutes ago to my Dynamo courses. Go there and have fun. I hope you will find it useful. Okay, but only 3 days. Always I will say that. Okay, here is the my god, here really hard to understand. Let's divide our views like this. And I want to change here. Where's this wall? It's not here. I think this one. Let's say I'll select this wall. I understand right now what's going on. Because this is this part. Okay, this is not a big problem. I will change the view range. View range, I want to go to below and going to below and say okay, done, as I said. Pretty easy. Booyaka. Let's say here it will be 8 meter. We will change it later on. And I will create one wall here and one wall here. And as you can see, we get the walls here. Now I will use MA match and I will match it. Okay. Now I will use the align key. Let's check it out from the level 2 to the level 4. We will do the same thing from the level 2 to the level 4. Done. And the same here from the level 2 to the level 4. And now I will change the profile of this wall. I'll change profile like this. Now trim it. Yeah, I don't like reconstruction because reconstruction it's really all details, it's small unique details. It's really hard. Profile, done. And the same thing here. But as you can see, slowly by part we are getting the result which we want. Just keep in touch. So we're done with that. Let's say okay, we get the problem like that. Let's select it again, and now I want to change only the type of the join here. I want to change it. Next. Let's say I want to square off. maybe Miller. Next. This is what we want. As you can see, now we have perfect connections. Design options in Revit. I think I can do the design options in Revit. Yeah, why not? But I think you are watching the, how the guy calling him, Balkan Architects. Yeah, he did it already, I think. But if you want my vision on the design options, okay, I will do that. It's not a problem. Or you want to know design options right now, just let me know. Okay, I want to change to the meter, and I will change connection. As you can see now, perfect connection. Just one by one, thing by thing, and we get the result. Now let's copy this church to this floor to the level 4. Level 4. We get it, and now we should get some changes for our levels. Minus 470 tune. We get the result, and let's do the same thing here. Ton, and ton. Minus 470. About the options, okay, if so many people want to know how to use these options, I can do that, it's not a big problem. Just one question: are you an architect, or you students, or you are construction, or someone else? Just let me know, guys. I want to understand who watching me, because I need to orient on you, like what you want exactly. Because the architects want one part, the constructions want other part, and the students want the really different part. Because students more working with only the visual part, not with data. But if you want to know how to manipulate with data in design options, it's a really different question. Ton. I will create it here. I will connect it here, and I will delete this one. I'll say okay. No, I will connect my floor and my level, and as you can see, we get here the problem, because we should connect now this part. Let's find it. My gosh, where is it? Okay, I can do it manually, like this, and I will align the other part. You will see why. I set align, and now you can see my floor came exactly to this side. You want? Okay, we'll do that, students. So it's my last year in architecture school. Did you find the job? Because if you are in last year, you should already working, or you should find some job. Okay, as you can see, we have pretty same connection, but here we have also the small part of the roof. And now I will connect. Okay. The next question: why don't connect floor with the level? Actually, I'm not connecting floor with the level. I'm not connecting floor with the walls, because Revit all the time asking me, do you want connect? For example, I will show you. Let's say it will change. Now Revit asking me, do you want connect the floor with attached bottom the level, and he will try to connect it. I don't want to do that, because maybe later on, as I said before, I will play around with the levels, and I will get some problems. Again, if you have the small project, you can connect everything with everything what you want. But if you really have the huge project, don't do connections, and don't join elements. This is really hard to manage it later on. I'm telling you like a BIM manager, because when you have connections with some elements, it's really hard to manage it. There are a lot of the things why. So if you want to know why, maybe I will do the some special tutorials about that. Yeah, I will do some special tutorials about that. Which part you should connect and when you should connect with what you should connect. Nice idea. So I will do the tutorial about that. Oh, you find the part-time job. Nice. So don't forget, guys, if you are a student and if you are on the last course, don't forget to find a job, because nowadays if you don't have any experience, no one will hire you. This is life. I know that because I get the last time I get the same problem. That's why I'm saying you. Okay, here the part, as you can see, actually it's so small. As you can see on my, I will do it be a bit bigger, and I will use the align key right now. Align key, here is aligned, as you can see, and here I will change it to align key, and okay, don't connect. Okay, done. Here is now much better, and now I will create the roof here. Actually, this is level which one? Level 4. Let's go to the level 4. I need view, and I need plan, and I need level 4. I already have the level 4. Where is it? Aha, here. Here is the level 4. Let's go to the architecture, roof, and we will create the roof. Like this. Like this. And like this. I want to align it. I will trim it. And I want to have the slope on this side. Actually, we need to do it like that. Okay, and I will trim it. We'll say okay, and let's see what we get. Pretty close, but it's actually, this is so thickness. Let's change the thickness of that one. I will duplicate it, or I can change my floor, but I'm lazy to do that. Okay, I will change my floor minus 470 millimeters. I will change my floor here. Oh, some subscribers. And like this, and like this. Sometimes I'm really lazy to do something. Done, done. Let's say okay. Here we should make the connection. Trim. And let's say okay. No. Much better. Give us some advice to be BI manager, please. Okay, as I said, if you wanna become the BI manager, you should work like an architect as much as you can, as harder as you can. You should understand everything about the architecture, because just try to understand how the working BI manager. Some architecture going to my site and asking me, Nico, please, can you do for me, for example, some hard surface, or how I can calculate, for example, only this part and only that volume of the roof. You should understand how you should calculate, for example, because you are a BI manager. You are helping to architects achieve their goals. So that's why you should understand everything about the Revit or AutoCAD, doesn't matter. For example, BI manager should understand AutoCAD too. Even if you didn't work in AutoCAD, you should understand just what is that and how it's working. That's it. It will be enough. You should understand how the Revit working at all under the system, and you should understand how working the Navis work. Navis work is only the client. Because the client wanna check how much money they will spend. They don't wanna install Revit and calculating it from Revit. No one will calculate the price from the Revit. This is bullshit. No one will do that. Everyone calculating it from Navis work. So don't forget about that. That's why the Autodesk have this product software like Navisworks. They're not so stupid. They understand client will just will get the Navisworks and they will working there. That's it. So if you want to become the BI manager, you should get experience from the architecture like 3 or 4 years. You should be awesome in architecture or engineer or in the structure. And after that, you can try to understand how to manage work in Revit or AutoCAD. That's it. I give it to you like instruction how you should work. Okay, let's continue. Oh, it's already 1 hour streaming going, but it's okay, we will continue later on. I will do some small part right now and we will continue later on. Let's check it out what's going on the other part, other side. Let's check it out. Okay, here is actually small, as you can see, here is my mistake. Here the small part of this building, but I did it really long. So as I said, again we get the problem. I should making it small part. Let's make it small. I will select only that side. I want to see what's going on 3D. Like this. I will go to the level 0 and I will make it small. Like that. Now I will delete some columns because I don't need it. I don't need these columns. I don't need these columns. And I will change this boundary of this floor. Okay, done. The same thing I will do here. It's really useful when you're working with on the two, if you have the 2 monitors. It's really useful in Revit because you have like 3D on the one side and plan on the other side, and you feeling really better than if you will work without that. Okay, and let's say okay. So now it's much closer than I did before. Just step by step. Okay, I think we today will finish with that because this is only part 1. I think in few hours I will post the new video about the details. There you will see how to create. I will show you what you will see there. Detail, I think that one. Yeah, there you will see how to create, for example, this type of the facade with everything, with all details here. I will show you which type of the elements you need to use and how you can connect. And here you will find the small answer why you should divide elements by elements. As you can see, here is the one floor and here another floor, and you will see why you should do that. I think you will find this tutorial useful, so in few hours I will post it on my channel, so don't forget to join it and don't forget the likes. Yes, I need the likes. Who didn't hit the like button right now, so I will become really sad, and again I not will post any video a long time. Okay guys, I think for today it's really finished. If you have some questions, please let me know below the comments right now, and I will try to answer. If not, I will finish my stream. Thank you much for this, love you. Thank you for you guys, because what I'm doing for you, of course for me too, but actually the first part I'm doing it's for you. Okay, I'm waiting some comments like 2 minutes, and if I will not get some comments, we will finish the stream. Okay, I think this is, yeah guys, again, if you want to join my course, you will find okay, I will copy it again. Here is my access key for 3 days for free. Oh, sorry, where is my I will copy it like this. The first is the link, the second one, this is free access key. Okay, yes, I remember about options and phasing. You also want, I remember that, and also the someone asking me about the Zaha Hadid Morocco part. I will do that, no worries. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. See you next time. Next stream again will be next week in the Saturday, approximately at the same time. Don't forget to join it. Maybe you will find really some useful things. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.